Hello traders, Mike Mohebi here. Today is 6th of August. It's 5 to 6 a.m. in Melbourne, Australia. Let's take a look at the market. This is oil. As you can see, last night, this morning for you Americans, I opened the trade in oil right here because this candle broke all these major EMAs that I have here. And the market moved sharply above, so it's about $48.5 at the moment. And I'm gonna move my stop loss to under this candle, and I leave this distance because I don't wanna get hit my stop when the market moves back. And probably it's gonna happen because we have four bullish candles one after each other. So probably, the next one, or maybe the next one after that, is gonna be a bearish one. So I keep that distance just in case. Market, the price hit the 261.8 level Fibonacci, and it moved almost close to my target, but it didn't hit my target. So I just keep it open. If the market moves back, touches this 21 moving average, I'm gonna enter again and add to my position. You can do the same. Okay, this is gold versus US dollar. As I said before, gold is gonna go to the roof. These prices are probably the lowest prices you will see for a long time. And it broke this major resistance here around 1300, 1296. That's the major resistance. As you can see, the line is very thick. The indicator I use for this support and resistance line is PZSR. That's one of the most amazing support and resistance indicators I've ever tested. It draws automatically all the major support and resistance. If I zoom out, you will see that all these lines are in the very beautiful areas of the support and resistance. You can see these green ones are support and those are resistances. These are weekly, daily, and those kind of things. So the indicator is, as you see, the PZSR. That's the indicator. Let me show you my indicator list. Actual name is this one, PZ underline support resistance. That's the indicator name. It's one of the most beautiful ones I've ever tested. All right, the price of the gold. Is this gold? Yes, this is gold. So the price is breaking another resistance level here, and it's gonna go, I don't know where. It's probably very high. If I draw a Fibonacci, where is Fibonacci? Okay, the Fibonacci of this pin bar. Let me zoom in. Of this one. This one is not a major one. That one. As you can see, if you had entered in this area and you put, as I always say, you put your target between this 261 and 423, almost midways, most of the time closer to 261. But if you put in the midway, you would have a very nice profit of 475 pips in less than a week. So this is one of the major tools that I use for deciding my target. All right, the silver is gonna be the same. As you can see, all indicators are moving up. As I said, this zero lag MACD, when it moves above zero, the market trend is all the way bullish, and when it moves under this zero line, the market trend is bearish. You can get signals when you have a pin bar and this cross of this both stochastic and zero lag MACD. So at the moment, market is above, the price is above this zero line, this zero lag MACD, and market is trending higher and bullish. I don't have any position in silver. This is silver versus Aussie dollar. I have two positions here. One buy at the bottom as this pin bar moved, this doji candle formed. I moved my stop loss higher. The second one I entered when the market opened on this Monday, and my stop loss is down here. Probably it's gonna cover this gap and then move up because the gold is moving higher. This is a major resistance, two resistances here, and let's see what happens. Euro USD. Euro USD. It was moving down in the last week. As you can see, the stochastic is moving down as well. It's gonna cross probably, but it's flattening because when USD gets weaker, the gold and silver gets stronger versus US dollar. That's very natural, right? And when the US dollar gets weaker, the Euro USD gonna go higher. So as we can see, the market's tendency is towards gold and silver and against the US dollar. And so this pair is gonna go higher. That's why I opened the trade here today. And let's see what happens. I have my stop loss very close, probably under this pin bar. And my target is probably about 2.5 times reward to risk ratio. CAD JPY is moving down as we had before. It broke this resistance, small resistance here, the ceiling, very strongly in moving back, and it is touching this resistance line. Probably it's gonna go higher again. It's gonna touch both these 8 and 21 EMA, and if it forms a pin bar or anything, you can enter with very easily to target probably about 100 pips up there. So keep an eye on this CAD JPY, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Probably it's gonna end up in a very good situation, and we're gonna have a very nice position. AUD JPY, we had this big pin bar here. We drew a Fibonacci, and we expected that the market's gonna go higher. I don't have any position at this one because the market gapped down on Monday. It had a bearish pin bar. This one is about doji. We don't know where it goes, so we just wait. If we get a clear signal, maybe tomorrow, we will enter here. AUD USD, still stuck in this small channel. It's getting close to this resistance line. Let me draw a line here. This is a small line, okay? It's not a very major resistance, but yeah, it's stuck under this ceiling. And yeah, we wait until it breaks this ceiling. It's a very big candle today, very big bullish candle, but yeah, we just wait. Euro GBP, as I said, you see I drew this arrow probably about, I think 3-4 days ago, 5 days ago, mid last week, and I said that the market's going down, and as you can see, market is going down. So when the market breaks, when the price breaks both moving averages and closes under there, and the next day cannot go higher, as you can see in this candle, it couldn't break up these moving averages. So it shows that the market doesn't have enough power to go higher, and it's gonna go down. You could enter very easily here and had a very good 60-65 pip profit at the moment in 3 days. But yeah, I don't have any position. Maybe I should. Yeah, the market's going very, probably it's gonna go close to this target and then to this support line and then moves back. So I don't enter in this one. USDCHF, we had a very big pin bar here. It showed that the market's gonna higher, but it couldn't break these EMAs, and market is stuck under this resistance line here, and it formed a very big bearish pin bar today. So it shows that the market's tendency is towards the going down. So Euro AUD still under, as I said, remember yesterday I drew these lines, small resistance supports. It shows that the higher low is a sign for market's trend upward. So we have higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and the fourth one is higher low is here. If it breaks this one, maybe the market's changing the trend, but at the moment market is moving high, moving up. So the market's bullish, but we have a bearish, a small move. So we wait until we get a pin bar or something like this. If you can see all these resistances, the market has a pin bar. So probably this one is gonna be a good one, maybe tomorrow or whenever it happens. You can enter with the ease of mind. Very safe trade. GBP CHF, the pound Swiss franc, stuck under this small triangle, as you can see here. Let me draw a couple of lines for you. One is there and the other one is at the bottom of this. This is small line, two lines, shows that the market's tendency is not decided yet. So the buyers and sellers are fighting to decide which way the price is gonna go. We just wait. When they decide, we enter. But at the moment, nothing. Just wait. USDJPY broke today down and gap down. As you can see, some people say the gaps are always filled. No, it's not like that. As I said, maybe in the 1 hour or 4 hour chart, or maybe smaller time frames, but the daily is not the case all the time. I've never seen more than like 40 to 50% of the gaps filled. So the market opened around 109.5 on Monday and the gap was about 44 pips. The market tried to fill it up and it filled it up, in this case, a little bit lower. You can see the distance is about 34 pips. So if you had your target close to the open of the Friday price, you would have a very good trade. But at the moment, market broke down. The price is going down 108.79. And yes, stochastic cross, everything is just bearish. If USD gets weakened, which is the case, we're gonna see a very bearish move in USDJPY, unless Japanese the government does something dodgy again and they devalue their currency more than the US dollar. Okay, this was for today. We had a couple of good analysis on gold and silver, and also on CAD JPY. Keep an eye on it. Probably in this week we're gonna have a very good nice trade which will end hopefully in a very good nice profit. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. I upload daily videos, daily analysis, live trades. I do my trades at the time that I record, so you can see what's going on. I've registered lately at myfxbook.com and mql5.com, so I upload my trade there automatically, so you can register to my channel and my trades will be automatically copied into your MetaTrader. If you open an account with them, it's a free account, you don't pay anything, and when you connect your account with them as a buyer, I'm there as a seller, so you can connect there. Check for Passive Cash Flow Academy 1 at myfxbook.com. Go to myfxbook.com, search for Passive Cash Flow Academy 1, and you will see my trades there automatically. Whatever I do on my MetaTrader is copied there, so you can see all the ratios, all the profit factor, everything. My history is there, my open trades, my closed trades, balance, equity, everything you can see there, and you can choose, you can register to my signal, and you don't need to do any analysis. I trade and it will be automatically copied into your MetaTrader. If you have any question, please ask at the comment section below. I will answer all of them. And thanks so much for watching. Have a nice time.